Now in Forex there are several different types of orders. We have the instant order, which is the same as the market order, and this is instantly executed at the current price. This is the order that you make when you enter a trade. It's an instant order and it takes you into the market instantly. We also have a pending order, and this is executed at your target price. Okay, so for example, you think the market's going to come to a particular price, then you set your pending order at that price, and whenever the market reaches that price, you're entered in the trade. We also have stop loss orders, which are executed at your target price to prevent loss. We also have take profit orders, which are executed at your target price to lock in profits. Now, when you place an order, you must also place a stop loss order and a take profit order. And remember, when you buy, you must exit by selling. And when you sell, you must exit by buying. Now, this is automatically done for you. Once you enter the market by buying, whenever you choose to exit, you automatically sell. And whenever you sell, whenever you choose to exit, you automatically buy. So this is automatically done for you. Stop loss orders and take profit orders can be either sell orders or buy orders. It depends on your initial order. Okay, so if your initial order was a buy order, then your stop loss order will be a sell order. Now, this is an example of why it's important to let your profits run. Okay, it's important to keep your risk small and let your profits run. That's how you make huge amounts of money in Forex. You keep your risk small and you let your profits run. Okay, so you set a take profit to take some profit off the table, and then you let the rest of your profits run, because you never know when you're going to get a big winner. And this is an example. Here the market has fallen over 300 pips, and we have a stop loss order here. We have a instant execution, which is also called a market order here, and we have the take profit order, which takes you out of the market with a profit.